Hi guys, I changed my room and I got a dream catcher and what? What, Mum?
Why did you change your room around, Jayla?
Cause I will.
Did you burp?
No, there was vomit in there.
What?
When I burped.
Okay.
Because I have vomit. I'm allergic to burping, I think. So
Okay.
I changed my room because I was scared, and I was scared of the mirror. I changed my room around. It's coming.
Why did you change your room around, Jayla?
Because I was scared of the mirror.
Yeah. And did you think that changing your room around will help? I think that was a good idea,
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to show us?
Yeah.
Is it finished yet? It doesn't look like it's finished.
Oh yes.
Nothing looks in its place. It's a bit messy. Does Mum need to come and fix a few things? So tell me about your bed. Where's your dream catcher?
It's right up high near my bed. You see it near the curtains?
Where'd you get this from?
My mum made it. And my mum bought it, I think, and it was in a box. Woo! Let's jump! Yes! Yay!
Do you think that you're allowed to be jumping on the bed?
No?
Oh, you better sit down. Jayla, how was your sleep last night with your dream catcher in your new bedroom?
Good.
So tell me about it. What do you think the dream catcher did?
When I fall asleep first, the dream catcher didn't catch them because I was thinking about other stuff.
Yeah.
And it still catched it,
Yeah.
but out of my head.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking like this.
Yeah.
Then,
So it was good. It was a good job done with the dream catcher. Good stuff.
You should never take it off. It's good.